So our first section for the Canary Awards, for this very first section, the Canary TV formats. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, the Canary TV formats. This is meant to describe the types of show that we've been doing and find out how people felt about it. Okay. So we've had a number of people who've stepped up. Almost none of them were media trained. Least of all, the loose men who joined us from their bedrooms, often naked. Aerobics with Lily. Lily Richter's been here for years. She's an extraordinary young lady. She was stuck on her own in a tiny little flat. And the first thing she did was contact us and say, is there anything we can do to make sure people have been connected? So that's what she did. Gran Canaria Unplugged. A program devised by two super mums.
Quite a lot. I hope you enjoy it.
Right, I'm making yogurt.
And then ask Nikki Gordon.
The minimal cycling has been started on Monday.
And then Good Morning Gran Canaria. All that is simple, slow television. And we said, look, here's a beautiful bit of Gran Canaria. And for an hour, you could watch the sun come up. It's a lovely thing, right? We're thinking about doing sunsets next. So, all of these programs were thought of pretty much on the spot. How can we entertain people, even though we've got no idea how to do this? And all of these people stood up and made something. And they made something for a running period of consistency. So, without further ado, winner of Best Canary TV Format, the Loose Men. By a long chalk as well.